हेलो बच्चों। सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन moist ethylene can be dried by passing it through concentrated sulfuric acid. So हमें यहाँ पे बताना है that starting with the key concept. So the key concept involved in this question is basically a dehydration reaction. Dehydration reaction. Basically, this is not a dehydration reaction, direct dehydration reaction, because in dehydration reaction, what is happened? Loss of water molecule is there, but it is nearly a dehydration reaction क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो मॉइस्चर है, जो वाटर का कंटेंट है, वो हमें रिमूव करना होगा, दैट वी हैव टू डिक्रीज। तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो गिवन कंपाउंड है वो है CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2। अब ऑब्वियसली अलोंग विद इट हमें अगर मॉइस्चर प्रेजेंट है इथाइलिन में, सो ऑब्वियसली वाटर इज देयर। और अगर हम इसमें कंसनट्रेटेड H2SO4 पास करवा देते हैं, दैट इज H2SO4, सो ऑब्वियसली दिस दिस विल fragment into H positive and HSO4 negative, and hence it will be converted into this, will be added, these two species will be added into this अनसैचुरेटेड डबल बॉन्ड। और क्या यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट बनेगा? दैट इज CH3CH2HSO4, that is ethyl hydrogen sulfate. This is the compound which are going to formed when we add concentrated H2SO4. But since इससे जो इसका मॉइस्चर का कंटेंट है वो तो डिक्रीज नहीं होगा, सो इफ वी विश टू रिमूव द वाटर कंटेंट ओनली or moisture, if we wish to remove the moisture from this moist ethylene, so we can use another reagent such as P2O5. So obviously when we treat this with P2O5, so obviously we will get CH2 double bond CH2 in a dried form, but we can't pass it through concentrated sulfuric acid. So if we consider it as a true or false, so we will definitely mark it as a false statement or wrong statement. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.